Let's look at the max and the min functions that use the if-s. And in this case, we want to use these to find the minimum or the maximum number that meet multiple criteria. So because we're looking at meeting multiple criteria, we're going to use the if-s function. In this case, let's look at these two examples. For the first one, we're going to find the lowest final average for freshmen who are IT majors. So our two criteria are that the student needs to be a freshman and an IT major. So here we have all of our student information, and we're going to look at the lowest final average of any student that is a freshman IT major. So here we have our majors and the classification here. Let's find our MINIFS function. And we want to know what the lowest average was for those freshman IT majors. So for the minimum range, we're going to use that numeric final average and find the lowest one from there. The first criterion, this does not matter as far as order. I can either look for the freshmen first or the IT majors. I will go ahead and find the freshman in column D. And it needs to be the FR. You can't use the word freshman because it does not exist in this column. You must use what the data shows you in the column. So FR is used for freshman. All right, let's look at IT majors. The major is in column C. And the data has IT as the value. So we're going to use that value for our IT majors. So in this case, the lowest average that any of our freshman IT majors earned was a 67.75. Now let's look at the same. Let's find the maximum. We'll find the MAXIFS function. And it's going to be the same set of values and references. So our max range, we want to find the maximum final average for freshman IT majors. So we'll start here with the freshman. For the IT majors, again, we're going to use that major column and use IT. And the highest average was a 94. So the range of grades for our freshman IT majors was from 67 to around a 94 average.